I'm Rachel with the Frankfurt Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a knotted bracelet with a charm. What you'll need for this project is 8 feet of cord, a charm of some kind, and a set of buckle clips. I also used a couple pieces of tape. Step 1 is to fold the cord in half. Find the center. Feed the center through the first half of the clip and pull the strands through the center as shown. Next, thread your charm to the center of the cord. Next, feed the ends of the cord through the second half of the clip as shown. Slide the clip down the cord so that it is held 6 to 6.5 inches away from the first clip. Adjust to your wrist size as needed. I taped the buckles down to make it easier to work with. Get started, you have 2 working ends, left and right, and then you have 2 strands in the middle that are your bracelet. The next step is to make a backwards 4 and put the tail end underneath the left working end. Then pull your left working end underneath the 4 and then through. Pull it tight. And now you're going to do the exact same thing backward. So you're going to want to get back to having a backwards 4, but this time go underneath the bracelet. And now pull the other end over, under, and through. And tighten it up. Now, keep doing that over and over and over again until you get to the charm. Once you get to the charm, just tie your knot around the charm. Once you've completed that step, just return to your original knotting pattern. Do this until you get to the end of the buckle and then secure your bracelet with a little bit of hot glue.